How to remove your Instagram account on someone else's phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account on someone else's phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove your Instagram account from someone else's phone, all you have to do is simply go and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to see this type of interface, but what you need to do is just tap the little profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, what you want to do is just tap the three lines option from the top right, go to settings, then to go to security. Once you go to security, one way that you can remove your Instagram account from someone else's phone is by simply changing your password. When you change your password, any account that is logged in will be automatically signed out. Otherwise, what you can do is you can simply go to this option known as login activity, and then you will be able to see all of the accounts that are actually logged in. So you can just tap on the three dots right next to it and then just select the logout option, and then you'll be successfully logged out of your Instagram account on those devices. This way you can go ahead and then basically remove your Instagram account on someone else's phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.